Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Shakti, a first year MBBS student at Government Teni Medical College. So this video is going to be a very productive evening.
Welcome to Great Krigalam Magic Show.
So the time now is around 5:30 PM the evening. So I started to study biochemistry as I have many backlogs in this subject. Hope I will clear all the backlogs in the upcoming days. So I decided to study biochemistry. In that biochemistry subject, I decided to study protein metabolism. I studied by watching a YouTube video of Dr. Rajesh Jambulkar sir. I promise you, he will explain each and every concept in a concise manner and a student-friendly manner. Try it, it will really help you. So I watched protein metabolism with his YouTube video and he cleared all my doubt. While watching the video, I decided to take notes because it will really help me during the exam days. After watching videos of protein metabolism and taking notes, I decided to shift my plan and I decided to watch de novo synthesis pathway of purine synthesis. It is the main pathway for the synthesis of purine except in the RBCs and brain, because in RBCs and brain, purine salvage pathway will come in action to produce purines, but de novo synthesis can't be operated in RBCs and brain. As this is my first ever study vlog, so adjust if there is any mistake. I promise you I'll definitely correct all the mistakes in the upcoming videos. So coming back to the point, I was a bit exhausted while studying for a long time. So I'm kidding, no long time. I was just studying about nearly 1 hour. As my exam days are coming nearer day by day, I am in a situation to make my preparation faster, even more faster. I hope I will do faster as much as possible I can. So after being a bit exhausted, I went down to get some delicious tea which was prepared by my mom to get freshen up.
A few moments later.
So after getting some tea, I decided to watch videos of hyperuricemia, which contains mainly gout. In gout, there is two types of gout, that is primary gout and secondary gout. Primary gout causes caused due to the deficiency in the metabolism of the purine synthesis, and secondary gout is due to another causes. In the gout is an accumulation of uric acid crystals in the joints, mainly in the joints of first metatarsophalangeal joint, that is in the great toe. This concept too I studied by watching YouTube video of Dr. Rajesh Jambulkar sir. I promise you it is really helpful to me. So now the time is around 7:30 PM. I decided to shoot a YouTube video for my channel that is expected to cut off for the new 11 Government Medical College of Tamil Nadu, and this is my tripod. I don't know how much this costs, but I brought a bit earlier. I don't know, but it is cheap, but it is user friendly. I use this tripod only to take YouTube videos in the recent days of my channel. So if you ask, so okay bro, suggest me some good online courses for my NEET 2022 or NEET 2023 preparation, means don't worry, I am your brother here to help you. So Unacademy is a good online course. They are suggesting upcoming platform Unacademy Prodigy. You can win a 20 lakh college grant and it starts from the 23rd January 10 AM onward. Speciality in this is they are conducting for 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th and 12th classes. You will have exciting scholarship and rewards. You can use my code Shakti04 to enroll it freely. And wait a minute, you have exciting rewards in every single test. I mean it, every single test you will have and you will win exciting rewards. If you get a rank 1, you will get a MacBook Air 1, and rank 2 to 3 in Apple iPhone, like that. Many exciting rewards they are giving, like Amazon Echo Duet, an Amazon voucher and Apple iPad, and the schedule is displayed. I'll be displaying the schedule in the screen. I hope you can see it. And a new batch is coming, that's known as Alpha Leaders batch for NEET 2023 batches, and NISTE batches for NEET 2022. I'll display it in the screen. I hope you can see it. Alpha Achievers batch is for NEET 2022, and this contains the most important 10,000 questions. So don't worry, you will have ample amount of questions to practice. If you get 6 months iconic subscription, they will give the printed study materials to your door delivery itself. They will give to you itself as a printed study material. You can use my code Shakti04 to get 10% flat offer on both Unacademy Plus subscription and Unacademy iconic subscription. Try it, it will definitely help you. After shooting the video, I decided to do some exercise. Don't think I'm gonna do some hardcore exercise. It includes some of the stretches and push-ups and some basic workouts like cardio. I'll do only some basic workouts. I don't do so many hardcore workouts because I'm new to this exercise pattern. So I decided to do some exercise which includes stretches, cardio, and stretching knee joints and stretching all the joints, and some skipping also. And this skipping is static skipping. After doing some basic stretches and basic cardio workouts, I decided to take my phone and decided to reply your comments for my YouTube video. I have replied to each one of your comments as much possible I can.
20 minutes later.
After doing all these steps, I was a bit hungry and decided to take my dinner, and I went down to take the noodles which was done by my sister, and it was really good.
A few moments later.
And the time now is around 8:45 p.m. in the night, so I decided to revise all the things I have learnt in the evening through the YouTube video of Dr. Rajesh Jambulkar sir's YouTube channel. So I decided to revise all the things that includes the gout, the primary gout, the secondary gout, hyperuricemia, and the de novo synthesis, purine salvage pathway, all those things which I have learnt in the evening through the YouTube video. I have revised all these things through the notes which I have taken through the lectures of the YouTube video. The notes which I have taken in the YouTube video have really helped me a lot. As biochemistry is the most volatile subject, it needs more number of revision. It means that is a subject that needs to be revised more time. After revising all the things which I have learnt in the evening, I decided to practice all the cycles that I have involved in the process. That is the de novo synthesis pathway, the cycles which I have involved, because the revising the cycles are very much important in the biochemistry studying part. I don't know how this study vlog is gonna be, so please do comment in the comment box below if you have any suggestion to improve the vlog, or if I have made any mistakes. I make sure this will not be repeated in the upcoming vlogs. So the time ran very fastly. I should hurry up my preparation as my exam days are coming very nearer. Then I started to mark important points and important notes which I have learnt in the evening and which I have revised, which will be helpful to me during the exam days while preparing and while revising during the exam days. Now the time is around 10 p.m. in the night. I hereby end this vlog. So I'll meet in the next video. Until then, it's Shakti shining off from you. One life. Peace out.